In this particular deployment of Sage CRM, we're leveraging Sage CRM's process automation features or workflow engine to control how information moves through the different departments. So Department A to Department B, in their case, project management team, through the art department, the accounting department, and then onward towards fabrication. If I go back to the opportunities tab underneath the company, you will notice that there are two distinct entry points here. Now, in their case, they're actually two very different workflows. I've just gone behind the scenes as the administrator. This is where we can create an infinite number of workflows. In their case, they've got two for managing their opportunities, this one here and this one there. If I go into either of them, it's here that we document the details of an individual workflow, the schema, if you will, of how information moves from stage A through to stage F or H in a cycle, the stages that it must hit, the individual workflow rules, and then within a workflow rule, the different conditions that might apply or sub-actions. By sub-action, underneath an individual rule, you can have any number of things take place, from an email or a field, or it can get quite elaborate. As I click or create a new opportunity here, a lot of the different options I have depend on the type of job. By that I mean, if I picked opportunity type T&M and press save, you'll see a very distinct information message at the top, but also the different rules. These are related to a T&M type opportunity. Keep in mind that I'm the administrator, I see everything. Different departments would only see what applies to them. If I change the type to contract and press save, you'll notice that the information message is different, but also the rules are different. And again, different rules display for different departments. If I want to progress this forward, this is where I saw those actions. Each of these is ultimately a different action. If I pick hard bid yes, I've got some conditions on this so that I actually have to answer a question because I picked yes. If I pick no, I wouldn't need to. When I press save, now I've progressed along to the qualified part of the opportunity. And you'll notice that the information message changes and it's prompting the user to attach a document. We do this in a lot of our projects, that we force the system to ensure that the right documents are added at the right time. I can drag and drop or add a file. When we do this, it ensures that when the next department picks up this opportunity, they know exactly where to find the correct documentation. So in deployments of Sage CRM using workflow, you often see conditions. Display this rule if type equals X. Or at the rule level, display this rule if they're part of the accounting team, or restrict this rule to person X. And then the information messages, you'll see this in all of our workflows, especially prompting the user to attach documentation.